Hi, and so welcome to this short video on what is VidVersity. So VidVersity is a platform that's been designed to make any video into interactive video, whether that's a video you've created yourself or you're using our app to create, which is a phone app, and uploading into the space. So once a video is uploaded, you edit a video and then ultimately you're going to create a course. So you're making something interactive for a learning experience. If you're the kind of person who'd prefer a printout, one's going to pop up on the screen now. Alternatively, you can move through the chapters on the right-hand side and they'll take you through different things that you need to do. That might be adding questions, publishing it to your LMS, all those kind of things are broken down into short videos. So first of all, you upload your video. Good idea is to add them to categories, so when you've got a lot of videos you can start managing it. But you simply record or select, so if you've got an iOS device you can record directly from the screen. Alternatively, you choose one from your own desktop. It will then arrive in the video editor, and the video editor, let's use one that we've already had a play with. The video editor is really simple to use. So this was a large video and we want to break it down into chapters. We simply just sit here and watch it. We say that we want the chapter to start here. We take it to the point where we want to go, where we'd like it to stop, and we click mark out. We call it something and then we cut and save. And you'll see down here, these are all the chapters that have been made from this particular course. Then, if we already had built a course shell, we could simply click in all these boxes and send it off to a course. And so we might choose to put it into this test course. Click on add. We go to edit test course and the chapters are all sitting here ready for us. So we've already created a bit of a course. Alternatively, if you hadn't created a course, you could go up here and click on add course and populate the different fields. Inside each one of the courses, so let's choose a course. We'll go to something that's not live. We'll go to this one here. You edit and lock the chapter. Inside each of the chapters, you can then add, so these are our individual videos. So we started with a large video, we've taken it down into small chapters, and now we're going to add some information inside there. So what you do is you'd watch the video and you'd get to a point and you'd go, stop, I'd like to add a subtitle along the bottom of the screen explaining who this is. So you quickly hear the name of the person and maybe their title. You could add slides, which are PowerPoint slides, which you have already built over here in the slideshow bank. You can add notes, you can add resources, and you can add questions. And ultimately you end up with something like this course here. So let's have a little look at this course. This course was once a 1-hour course that very few people were doing it. By adding a few features, breaking it into chapters and making it interactive, it had a lot more uptake. So now, this was once a 1-hour video, now it's got some PowerPoints that people have uploaded. You could go to here, and if you were only interested in cold storage, you could go straight to that. Under resources is a list of all the resources that have been referred to in the video. Throughout the video there's a number of notes which are like key takeaways. They're aggregated in the notes button here and can be printed out. So let's have a look at how this works. So the video stopped and we've got a question. The person has to interact with the video. They've got to answer the question before they can keep going. And then they get some feedback. The last part of the puzzle is navigation, tracking and delivering. So under navigation you can decide if the learner is allowed to skip the chapters or do they have to move through them sequentially. Under tracking, and this is if you're going to put it into a learning management system with SCORM or LTI, you can decide to track by questions, by chapters or a combination. You decide the score down here and then you deliver it via SCORM, LTI, or finally if you want to make it public for anybody, you can make it shareable and deliver this link to anyone, or you can also make it a private shareable link, which means you nominate who gets to see it. So you would go here and either through a CSV or through adding users, you decide who can see it, and then you tick in this box and you send a notification email to that person. They'll be invited to complete the course and you'll get some analytics here. So that's a bit of an overview. It's an amazing platform that is secure. It allows you to create interactive videos and either deliver them through us or your learning management system. And a note to be aware of, even if it's in your learning management system, it's still privately hosted by us, so you don't have to have a whole lot of bandwidth to be able to deliver video through your learning management system. So if you want more information about any of these specifics, go to the chapters down the right-hand side.